Said Karim, you always made tall claims about your students that you have produced good English-speaking students. So now this is the testing time, and I'll check them. How have you produced good students? So I'll speak to them as well. So. Did you enjoy the weather here in Murre, because it is too cold? It is not too cold, but it is cold, and it rained all night. So what would you say about the pleasing weather here? Because it's scorching weather over there in Peshawar. Hello, Salar. What's the meaning of Salar?
Definitely a leader.
It's a leader.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you grow up, so you will become a leader?
Yeah, I will become a leader.
Okay, leader of which community? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Khyber Tarjuman television قدرمنو کتونکو السلام علیکم. سنگر خان ما او دا وخت د مری په جی پی یو چوک کې موجود ما سره دلته کې د پیښور د ابن سینا انګلیش لینګویج اکیډمي دا دغه ټیچرز دي، دغه انسټرکټرز دي او دغه سټوډنټس دي، انکلوډینګ ډایریکټر هغه راغلي دي دلته کې په ټریپ باندې د دوی سره زما ملاقات وشو. چونکې سید کریم صاحب ولاړ دی، زما ډېر زوړ ملګری دی، زما د یونیورسټي لیول باندې کلاس فیلو و، بیا مختلف ځایونو کې کلیګ هم پاتې شوی دی. No, it is a great opportunity for me to speak English with them. Let me switch to English because these are English students. So it does not seem good to speak Pashto or Urdu in front of them. So first of all, let me talk to Said Karim. Said Karim, how are you doing?
Well, fine, thank you very much. And it was a blessing of God that we have seen you here. It was a blessing in disguise, by the way. And since 2015 we haven't been
met.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was like in chance we met each other, but it was seldom in bazaars and in hostels, in a hotel somehow. But like seeing you here, it is a great a chance and a blessing in disguise to say. So thank you very much for giving us your time and your precious camera and channel. Anyhow.
Said Karim, you always made tall claims about your students that you have produced good English-speaking students. So now this is the testing time, and I'll check them. How have you produced good students? So I'll speak to them as well. But before moving to them, tell me about your personal life.
Well, personal life is very good, and it has been since 2011 that we have been in this profession. But switching to the government, and that is the federal government, that is very astonishing for you and me also. I mean, like you in this journalism mean that. So my personal life is such as living in government accommodation and having government job, and that is at the Department of Federal. So my personal life is
satisfied.
Satisfied 100%. And as you said that I always claim that we have produced so many students. So you can ask any of them, even if they look like, for example, they appears to you very normal one. You can point out them, and they can communicate with you, and they can pass their message to you as you want. Yeah.
So we have the director of this institute, Ibn Sina Institute, whose name is Rahmat. And let me talk to him, but he is busy somewhere. So dear audience, this time I'm having the director of Ibn Sina Academy, Rahmat, and let me talk to him. Rahmat, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, thank you so much. With the bless of Almighty Allah, I'm fresh like a fish.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
What was your basic trip to take students to Murre?
Actually, we have arranged this trip as by the demand of our students, as they were insisting me and they were calling me again and again that, sir, please arrange a tour. So we have decided to have a tour for them.
Okay.
And we brought them to Murre.
Right.
And we are here right now.
Okay. So did you speak English on the way?
Yeah.
Or you always spoke Pashto or Urdu?
No. To be very honest, we have students from our Pashtun society. So definitely sometimes they were talking in Pashto and they were talking in English as well. And we have had our interaction with them. And they are really interested to speak in English because they are with us only for the sake of English, nothing more.
Okay. So Did you enjoy the weather here in Murre because it is too cold? It is not too cold, but it is cold, and it rained all night. So, what would you say about the pleasant weather here? Because it's scorching weather over there in Peshawar, and what would you say about this weather?
To be very honest, as we were in Peshawar and we started our journey, the weather was extremely scorching, as you mentioned earlier. So when we reached here, we have seen that it was raining here, and it was raining cats and dogs. I mean, there was a heavy rain. A heavy rain was here. So definitely the weather is extremely nice and it is extremely cool, and we really enjoy that.
What would you say about the behavior of people here? Particularly, unfortunately, I would say with girls, with women, with ladies, because they are voicing behind them and they chase them to long extent. So what would you say about this behavior?
The behavior of people depends upon their concept. Like everybody is having different concept and different mind. So as I was just moving around with my students, they were not even following anyone.
Did you not chase anyone?
No, to be very honest, I haven't found anyone because I
did not find anyone, or you are not interested?
I'm not interested in that, to chase the people and to follow them to see that what are they doing. I just want to see my students in happy mood and I want to have a good time with them.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for your precious opinion about the weather here, about the behavior of people here with locals and with particularly with ladies, and we can call it harassment in other words. So now let's talk to your students. Where are they?
Yeah,
Thank
all
you so
of them
much.
you can.
Salar, please be here.
Salar.
Be here, be here.
What's the, hello, Salar. What's the meaning of Salar?
Definitely a leader.
It's a leader.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you grow up, so you will become a leader?
Yeah, I will become a leader.
Okay. A leader of which community?
A leader of a country or just a group or Pashtun community.
Okay. Okay. Salar, what is your experience in English language? How many levels have you gone through?
From level 1 to perspective 3.
For perspective
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is your experience? How students can learn English language by practicing a lot? What?
Like it depends upon the environment. So if they speak English with each other, so they will learn it quickly. But also for easy communication, they use their own native language. So it takes time to learn English, but learning something isn't that hard.
How much time did you spend there?
In learning, so the 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you speak fluently on any subject now?
Yeah. Definitely, I can speak. On it.
Okay. Okay. So what is your advice to the newcomers, to the freshers, and to those who are afraid of even entering into a language institute?
Yeah. So work hard, and God is with you, and that's it, sir.
Okay. You are very brave. Thank you. Thank you. Gentleman, what's your name?
My name is Ubaid.
Zubair.
Ubaid.
Oh, Mr. Ubaid. Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan, but currently I live in Mandal Razak Road with my family.
Okay. And have you done your language courses?
Yeah, I have done my English language before 1 year. Right now I'm taking conversation class with my teachers.
Okay. And how much time did you spend there in the language institute?
I have spent there approximately 15 months in this English language.
Okay. And what is the main focus of the teacher? On which area?
I will say that our teacher is very hard working. Like daily basis, we have different kind of activities in our class.
Like what kind of activities?
Like on Monday we have a speech, and Thursday we have a newspaper, and different kind of activities we are doing in our conversation class. Yeah, so
have you improved there?
yeah, we are improving day by day. This is the way that right now I am here just because of my teacher that I can speak English
Okay.
fluently.
It's good. It's good. And one thing which I could say, Mr. Said Kareem, language, uh, along with words, along with expressions, along with a strong vocabulary, along with grammatical structure, the thing which I can say is important, that is confidence.
Yeah, exactly.
If you have very good grammatical structure, if you have very vast vocabulary on any topic, but if your confidence level is low, so you cannot express the things which you have learned and the things which you have in the front of mind or the back of your mind.
Exactly.
Okay. We have another gentleman from Ibn Sina English Language Institute. So, what's your name?
My good name is Muhammad Ibrar.
Okay, Muhammad Ibrahim, where are you from?
I'm basically from Muhammad Hangu, but currently
Hangu.
Hangu, yeah.
Okay, and how much time have you spent in English Language Institute?
I have been spent on 2 years in even in English language.
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
Okay.
I
What have you learned there?
Alhamdulillah, I learned everything, and I have now so much experience, and we have a good teacher. They give me a good honor over us. Actually, I don't have. I am an uneducated person.
You're uneducated.
I am uneducated. I am so much
Really?
happy. Really, I don't even. I didn't. go
Have
to
you
school.
not done metric?
No. I never go in the canyon of the school. Believe me,
Okay.
when I came here, I didn't speak a single word.
Okay.
When
And after 2 years, you can speak very good English.
yeah, because we have this type of good teacher, they struggle with every student. We have a, you know about the name of the teacher. We have a by the name of Sir Rahmat Said Kareem, and there is a lot of teacher,
Okay.
and they have struggle and every student
Okay.
if they want to be make a hero.
Okay.
Like you can see at me, now I am in front of you and I'm speaking without any education. If you want, you will come.
Okay. You are a great example for those who have done their masters, who have done their graduations, and still they cannot speak only 5 sentences in English language. And speaking in front of camera requires a lot confidence, much confidence, and you are illiterate. Very much sorry for the word illiterate for you. You can speak very impressive English language, and in front of camera with a lot of confidence. So you are a great example. And now, what is your advice to what is your message to the newcomers, to the freshers, to those who face obstacles in their way of learning English language?
Yeah, those are not speaking English, they don't have any educated, okay, they should come and they can speak if they want. They must be struggle. There is not my own language, okay, there is another language. We will must struggle, we will must learn it. And
Okay.
there will be some mistake, but we will be recover on that.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You entertained us a lot. Dear audience, my primary purpose in communicating with these people in English was that to check them how they are going, how much they have learned in English Language Institute, and in order to bring talented people, because these people, you saw a person who was uneducated, but still he spoke very good English even in front of camera. And it is a great example for them. So those people who are afraid of learning English language, and those who do not want to join English Language Institute because of fear, my only message to them is, if an uneducated person can speak and can learn English language, you can. But the only thing is intention, determination, and after that phase, struggle. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you.